Guys, so I'm so excited to be filming this unboxing. This is, I just got this in the mail from AliExpress. This is the Moterm B6 cream Croc agenda cover. So I literally just got this. It actually came 2 days earlier than what the tracking date said it was supposed to arrive by. I did not pay extra for expedited shipping. I just did the free shipping option, and it came with a tracking number, and yeah, I was able to kind of like track the status along the way. So yeah, so I thought that was fine because I didn't need this like on a rush basis or anything like that. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Well, when you first get it, it came in this packaging. So I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. And in case you're curious, this is the number. So it comes in this lovely box. And it has the really nice velvety dust bag. Really good quality. And oh, this is so nice. Okay. So I think I mentioned this already, but this is in the B6 size. And this is in the cream croc color. So this is what it looks like. Wow, it's so pretty and so nice. So it has like a really nice leathery smell. It does not smell like chemicals or anything like that. It's such really good quality, and the price is such a good price too. I think it's like $40, like maybe like 40 and some change. So again, this is the B6 size. So when you first open it up, this is what the inside of it looks like. So you have the pocket here, you have these pocket slots over here, you have two pockets over here, you have these little tassel thingies, then you have two pockets over here, and then one pocket on this side, and then you also have obviously the pen loop, and then you have the really nice back pocket. So I do own this agenda cover in the lychee white, and I also own this in the taupe, the lychee taupe as well. So I was so excited when I saw that this was in stock. So I am part of the Facebook group, so I know that they previously had a list that they had, I think, on AliExpress and on their Facebook group of like their production calendar, but they have taken that down. So the best way to find out is to follow them on, like, do you follow on Facebook? I guess to join the group on Facebook, and then also follow them on Instagram as well. And that's the best way to find out when they're doing restocks, and then just obviously, you know, like log in around that time and then just place the order. So yeah, so this is such a good quality agenda cover for what you get. I think the price is amazing. This is the back of it. So nice, so beautiful. This is the side. This is like the strap. So yeah, so I am so excited to use this cover. This literally makes me want to pick up the black one as well. So we'll see. I guess, well, this is my third Moterm cover, so this is so nice. I love it. So I have heard that like some people use acetone to like remove like the shading on this. But I don't know, like I think it's fine, and I also like I don't know, I don't want to like ruin it, if that makes sense. I think it's kind of like coming up darker on camera than it is in real life. But yeah, I don't know. I really like it. I'm so excited. I feel like cream croc is like all the rage right now. And yeah, so this is so pretty. It's so nice. And like, I can't wait to start using it. Love this so much. I'm so excited. So yeah, so basically, this concludes my unboxing of the Cream Croc in the B6 size. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.